So I was just thinking about like the American healthcare system, and there are a lot of problems with it. Obviously, a lot of problems with America in general. But one of the things that I have not discovered, because I always knew this, but actually experience it is so different, is the difference having a good physician makes in your life and in your health. Because I have never had a good adult physician until now. I had like great pediatric people and I love them, but then like once I started looking for my own physician as an adult, I just have never had someone that I've clicked with and someone that I enjoyed going to. And it's crazy the difference that can make because when I would go to my physicians before, it was always just like it was out of obligation and it was obligation, all obligation, and it was always such a bummer because I had concerns, I had questions, and I would ask them, and I'd be worried about things, and they just would either blow them off or like not really ever answer the questions that I had. And it was always so frustrating. So I just like wouldn't. I just would be like, you know what, I'm just gonna go. They're gonna tell me what my health is, and then I'm gonna move on. And now having a physician who cares and who actually asks the questions and does the follow up and checks in on things is insane, like the improvement it's done to my mental health and like my perspective and feeling towards like my actual physical health. Because now when I go see them, I'm like, okay, let's make a plan together. And it feels like it's a conversation. It feels like it should. And it's just such a bummer. It took me till 28 to get that in my life. And the fact that if I move, I will have to go through this all over again to find a new physician. And that when looking for a physician, the biggest thing is American healthcare covers a checkup. A checkup. That's what it covers. So if eventually when I move, I go have a checkup and I don't like that physician, I don't get to just like be like, oh great, I'm gonna go to a different physician and check things out with them. No, like my health insurance is gonna cover that one checkup. So I now need to wait till next year to then try to find a physician I like. And that's just crazy. And maybe you're like, oh, that's not how it works. You could do other things. And maybe that's true, but that's the way it feels. And I also don't trust health insurance. So that's what I've been doing. But now I have a good one. And yeah, it just is crazy the difference it makes. Yeah, 'cause I'm just so much more positive about like the changes I could make and what will happen with my health.